So the exact latest version at the time of me making this tutorial is 15.5.4. For example, I'm going to choose my own. For Tailwind CSS, make sure you select yes. Make sure you select yes for the source directory as well. In case this is your first time seeing this install wizard, you can use the arrow keys to choose between yes or no. So make sure you select yes. Same for the app router, same for TurboPack, and select no for customizing the import alias. Let's go ahead and let's remove cage.tsx entirely. So remove it so that this breaks. And when you do that, you can also remove logout.vsx. We're not going to need BAP either. And here we have it, execution ID. So if you accidentally misspell this, you will not be able to see your ID, and that's how you know that you named something incorrectly. It could be a typo in here, or it could be a typo in here, or maybe it could be the invalid structure. Okay, this is very, very Next.js specific. Let's go inside of app folder. Let's go ahead and create APM folder inside. Then let's create TRPC. And inside of that, let's go ahead and create PRPC again, but this time inside of square brackets. And finally, route.ps. So route.ps is a reserved file name the same way page.tsx is. But what if I forgot to do this? What if this breaks? What would happen now? So previously, maybe a better example is to not have anything here, like this. Let's change this to base procedure. And so let's purposely, yes, forget this, and let's purposely bring the base procedure back and remove anything from the find menu. If we go to Localhost 3000 now, you will have access to the entire data. You shouldn't rely on this. This shouldn't be your last level of security. Instead, your data access layer should use the protected procedure. And this way, you get the error